Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, beautiful Kenyans, beautiful people. It's your boy here, Lenny Davis, aka the Painkiller. I'm telling you, it's amazing today. We are live ndani ya Patch of Flavors. Remember, we are here at Lolo TV, the home of African Eats. I'm telling you today, we've been blessed with an international artist all the way from Ghana. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. Before I welcome my artist, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, just subscribe because this is Lolo TV, home of all African hits. When it comes to reggae, when it comes to rumba, when it comes to R&Bs, when it comes to hip hop, Maze, Lolo TV, we normally support upcoming talents, we normally support superstars, we normally bring your favorite artists to this show. Thank you and feel most welcome. Yeah. Bro. Hi.
Everything cool.
You good?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Welcome to Nairobi, bro.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome to East Africa.
Santa.
Welcome to Kenya.
Yeah.
Welcome to Nairobi. How is Ghana, bro?
Man, Ghana is cool, you know. Ghana is warm. Yep.
Ghana is cool. Anything from Ghana? Any surprise from Ghana?
You know, I think it's me. The surprise is me, you know. I'm here to connect more with the East African side of the continent. You know, it's one Africa, and the project is to bring African music to the world. You know,
Yeah, sure.
and I just have to mingle with all these other parts of Africa to bring out the unique thing out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you find your stay in Kenya so far?
So far, so good. You know, Kenya's been treating me well. You know, where I'm from, Ghanaians are very calm. The Ghanaians are like Kenyans, you know, because we are cool, calm, and collected. Yeah, so I think the vibe is so nice when I came around. I don't feel like I don't feel like I'm in another country. I feel like I'm still in Ghana.
And is it cold weather in Nairobi?
Well, it's very cold. I love the weather too, you know. It gives me that foreign vibes.
So it's somewhat different from the weather.
Yeah, from the weather in Ghana. Ghana is very hot most times, but here it's very cool. The weather is chilly. I think this is the kind of weather I felt when I was in London. So yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So the moment you arrived in Kenya, which meal did you first take that was somehow unique and it really sound delicious?
Yeah, at first I didn't try any Kenyan food yet, but later I tried ugali, which was marvelous. You know, I loved it. I love the similarities between the ugali and I feel like African foods are the same. Africans are inventors of food, you know. Yeah. So the food was nice. I chopped the ugali. I really loved it.
Wow, that's amazing. So our beautiful viewers here wanna know who Kofi Jamal is. Yeah. Just tell them.
Kofi Jamal is an Ashanti-born guy who hails from Kumasi, you know, West Africa, Ghana, to be precise. And he started his music at an early age, you know, growing up in Bantama. Had all these sorts of influences when I was growing up. So began to enter into freestyle competitions when I was back in Kumasi. Yeah, that's when I think it started really up there for me, and it's been that way. Been making some hits here and there back in my hood till I got discovered by my label, that's Gatman Records, who took me to Accra to pursue the music at a higher pace. You know, I think I take it from there.
So you pursued your music career in Accra?
Yeah, like from Kumasi like Nairobi is like Accra, that's the capital city of Ghana, and Kumasi is like alternative city, you know, that's like a more local area. So that's where I came from, and through the struggling out there, I just got the chance to meet my label, that's Gatman Records, who took me to the capital city, that's Accra, to pursue music. Like when you are in the capital city, I think it's more booming there. You know?
Short, you were brought up in Kumasi?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So what really inspired you, Kofi Jamal, to an extent that you decided to join music industry? Because, you know,
well, from the start, you know, where I came from in Kumasi is like an entertainment hub. Wherever there are street jams everywhere, there are pubs from places to places. So I picked up that influence from a young age. And my mom used to listen to a lot of African music, contemporary African music, Angelique Kidjo, Fela Kuti, Maria Makiba, Yosundo, a lot of them. And my pops also used to listen to reggae music, Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs, Bob Marley, Bernie Spear, a lot of them. So when I was growing up in this household, you know, I had all these sorts of influences coming up. And I don't know, around GHS, I felt like, in junior high school, I felt like I was drifting from my studies to music, you know. You know, you meet me in class and I'll be drumming on the table, composing music around that time. So I felt like yo, the music, I didn't choose the music chose me. Before I knew, I was just like directing to that path. So
Yeah.
that's when I decided that I had to pursue it.
Oh, that's a story to tell.
Yeah.
So, Jamal, what really brings you to Kenya? You know, yeah.
For real, for real, for real. You know, and in 2020, I had a song with Calligraph Jones and Ice Prince.
Yeah.
That was really big out here too, and was big all over Africa. I had to come here for the promotion, but I couldn't because of the COVID that came around that time. So my management, we were on pause for a while till this Dangerous song came out. You know,
Yeah.
I had already done the verse and the hook, and I put it out there on the net. So I'm in contact. I'm in constant contact with Calligraph Jones.
Yeah.
So he hits me up on my DM and said, "Yo, this song is a banger."
Wow.
And I asked him, "OG, can you jump on it for me?" And he's like, "No problem." He just did. He went to the studio and did the verse.
Wow.
Like who? And shout out to my label, Godvan Records. They took the cost upon themselves to like bring me here this time. I feel like this is the right time for me to be here. And we came here to shoot the video, shot it in Nairobi, and that's how come I'm here. I feel like I want to explore more of African music, connect with more African musicians, you know, out there, and just spread our music to the world.
Maybe I've seen you tagged Calligraph Jones in several locations.
Yeah.
But what makes you do so?
Like Calligraph Jones is, I think, he's somebody that I looked up to, even before coming here, or even before making a song with him. I used to listen to a lot of Kenyan hip hop from Kamula and Calligraph Jones, you know, and yeah, I looked up to him for a long while. So me being on to be on a song with him, it's a great pleasure, and I have to keep that connection. It's like an OG that I really respect a lot. Yeah, so I give him the flowers everywhere I go to.
So apart from Dangerous, is there any other collab or loading? Should you expect another collab?
Yeah, me and Calligraph, people are even expecting an album from us. They say that our connection is very pure and we have to have more songs out. So I'll be meeting him tomorrow too. We have a lot to do, but I'm also looking forward to collaborating with a lot of incredible, amazing artists out here in Kenya that I've recently heard of, you know, like the Wakadinali Boys, the Brooklyn Boys, Ben Soul, Viri the Storyteller. You know, I love the sound that's coming out from here, and I feel like I want to add my voice to it, you know. Right now, Afrobeat is everywhere, and I feel like Afrobeat is not just the sound of Africa. There are a lot of more sounds from Africa here that people need to listen to, and I want to spearhead that cause too.
Afrobeat.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not just Afrobeats, but other music from Africa, like the type of music that Ben Soul do, the type of music that Sauti Soul do, and all of them.
Amazing. Yeah. So, by the way, how is our music being perceived back there in Ghana?
Well, great.
Because you know, for example, your music is being played here in Kenya.
Yeah. For Sauti Soul, you hear a lot of Sauti Soul on urban radio. You know, when you come to Accra, there are like elite people who kind of listen to Sauti Soul, love their sound, and Calligraph Jones, for the hip hop heads, Calligraph Jones is really known out there in Ghana and West Africa forever. I'll say it's like one of the best rappers out here in Africa, and they rate him like you can't just mention 5 rappers in Africa without putting Calligraph Jones inside there. So yeah, the music is really out there also. But I feel like the new cats are now trying to pave way into that place. You know, I only heard of Ben so when I got here, and Viri the Storyteller when I got here, and I feel like they are on the come up, and soon they'll be heard across. Yeah.
So your genre is hip hop in short.
Well, I don't limit myself across from all points.
Because you know, I've also realized that you are a songwriter.
Yep. I write a lot of songs, and I do all these kind of genres. I see myself as a free agent. You know, in this music, I don't want to tag myself a hip hop artist, an Afrobeat artist, a high life artist. I see myself as a free agent of music, and I move around.
So, bro, how do you do it, by the way? How do you do it? Because, you know, you're an artist, then at the same time, you're also a songwriter.
Yeah. I feel like it's all connected, you know. I'm intimate with the songs that I write. I don't want somebody to write a song for me to sing and perform. I don't like that. I'm intimate with the songs. I want to compose my own songs, write my own stuff, and finish it up and perform it. So I think it stems from there, and have a lot of influences too. I don't just listen to hip-hop music, although I love hip-hop a lot, but I listen to also contemporary African music, a lot of high life, and a lot of other music. So I have all these influences, and I feel like I'll not be doing myself a favor if I just stick to hip-hop. But now the agenda is hip-hop because Afrobeat is taking over, and I wanted to add my voice to the hip-hop out here in Africa. Yeah, so this is for a 10, for some 10 being, you know.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, Kofi Jamal, have you ever done a collaboration with any upcoming artist, maybe apart from these artists who are now at some level, maybe? Yeah. When it comes to music.
Like where in Kenya or Ghana?
Yeah, anyway, maybe
Where
in
I
Africa
have,
or internationally.
yeah, I have song with upcoming artists also. Some have not been dropped, and some are already out too. Yeah.
So I want to give you a challenge. Maybe I want to see another collab with an upcoming artist from Kenya, maybe.
Yeah, I have one with Butchos.
Yeah.
That's not yet out though. But yeah, I'm gonna link with him and do more stuff with him, and also more of. I might be having something with the Brooklyn Boys, but we are still in talks with the management to see how it's gonna go. So yeah, my fingers are crossed, you know. Yep.
Wow. I'm telling you, beautiful Kenyans, it's amazing, it's wow. I'm telling you. We are still talking here with Kofi Jamal. Remember, we are live in Part of Flavors, Lolo TV. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our channel at Lolo TV. Follow us on Instagram at Lolo TV. All social media platforms at Lolo TV. Kofi Jamal, you know, our viewers maybe would like you to do as a freestyle, maybe,
Yeah.
Of
Dangerous. Okay. Let's say. Charlie, watch you the figure, I'm that jiggy fella with the swagger like that. Coming from the dungeon where you never make it back. Been with chasing checks, but I'd rather chase the bag. As the game gets serious than a heart attack. Chilling in my corner, that's where you can find me. But I'm ready to rumble like Muhammad Ali. Got the remedy to blow body energy far away. So forget all the pain and come make you pop champagne. Can't pay attention if you really can't afford. You can step in my shoes, but never walk the way I walk. I'm the voice of the streets, let my hustle do the talk. As a mechanic, as I want to, I said, yeah, be shy, caught. Bless up, man.
Hey, wow. By the way, I love that song, Dangerous.
Shade.
I love it so much. So, but how is your record label? Because, you know, I understand, like, you are in a record label.
Yeah.
So tell us more about your record label.
That's Got One Records, you know. They are sort of a record label that I have an intimate personal relationship with them. I don't feel like it's just a normal record label. This is like family, and we have one vision and one cause that we want to, like, God One wants to be one of the best label out here in Africa, and we just started from Ghana, and with more time, and also they see to make me one of the biggest artists out from Africa to the world. So we have that vision, and we are just striving towards it. But yeah, we like God One Records is family. You know, they are the kind of label that makes you feel like they are related and they are connected. They think about the artist, not just they want. Some labels will just pimp you off just because they want to make money off you. But this is some label that we are dedicated to the cause and the vision.
So when you first joined the music industry, how was your experience, for example, in Ghana?
Yeah, it was harsh and tough, you know. Coming up, I think it's everywhere in Africa here. And where I came from, that's Kumasi. That's not like a capital city. So the music is not there like that. So doing music there, it will take a lot of grace for you to be discovered. Or for you to even make an impact across the whole country. So yeah, coming up was tough, you know. I had to like fend for myself. I had to do many jobs just to get money to pay for the studio time and stuff like that. And you always have you don't have finance, so you have to do things your own way, and it was really tough around that time.
And so how many songs have you done so far?
Man, since I got onto my label, I think songs that I've released are around let's say, I would say 20.
20?
Yeah.
20?
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing.
And I have 15 videos out already.
15 videos?
Yeah.
So you say that we wait for a certain collaboration with
more collaborations, you know. Yeah.
But who is your favorite artist when it comes to music? For example, here in Kenya, for example.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't pick one. That's crazy right now. Because it will be a tie between Calligraph Jones and Sauti Soul sound. You know, that's it. Yeah.
Sauti Soul and?
Calligraph Jones. Yeah.
Okay. So, and how many collaborations have you done so far?
In Kenya here?
No.
Like all?
Yeah, all.
Well, I can count, but I've done like 6. I feel like, around 6 collaborations.
And how was your collaborations with them?
Very, very great. You know, one of the biggest songs out of like Africa, drill music out of Africa, was done by me, that was a collaboration featuring Yatog and YP. Also, it was one of the biggest. And I have song with Stonebwoy from Ghana, like heavily dancehall, and I have a song with Sarkodie that's not yet released. Sarkodie from Ghana, and I have song with a lot of them. I have song with Sefa, that's like a new sensation now in Ghana. A lot of them, a lot.
I also came across your EP, and I was wondering how long it took you to come up with that EP.
That EP took about, let's say, 4 months for me to come up with, and I was just basically to let people know what more I can do, because before the EP, people thought I was just doing drill music, and this EP was sort to let them know that that's not just that's not just the music I do. So it's composed of different music, hip hop, Afrobeat, amapiano, and whatnot.
And then as an artist, there must be some challenges. But that you might have experienced maybe on your own. So what kind of challenges have you experienced so far maybe as an artist?
Well, I feel as an artist, you want your products to go quick. Like you know that you have a great song, have a wonderful song, and you would expect it to go across, but we live in a world where it's data and a lot of noise everywhere, so it gets hard for you to get ahead, so I had problem with promotion. Every artist still have problem with promotion, because every artist want to get somewhere, and if it's not getting there on time, you feel despaired or something like that. So those are some of my problems. I wish my promotion will go as quick as I would want it to. But we live in this world, so we just have to face it.
So switching gears, I've seen that you've won several awards when it comes to music. Kindly, may just tell us, and you are nominated by them in several categories. When it comes to maybe the best artist of the year, something like that. So can you just tell us?
So far I won like 5 awards. I think Ashanti Region Awards, Accra Music Awards, Ghana Music Awards UK, which I won 2 awards, and 3 Music Awards Ghana, which I won 1 award also. So I have a lot of awards from there, and I think these are, it gives you the energy. It makes you feel like you've been accepted in the industry, and it makes you know that the work that you're doing is not in vain. People are somewhere listening to you, and they love your vibe.
Okay, then this music of yours,
Ecorso,
just give us a certain freestyle, a little bit,
See, when I come with the sauce, no jano, my soul, make it ball till we fall, make it ball till we fall. When I come with the sauce, no jano, my soul, me swag, not shit. Let me get it from my chin, say yeah, my diachi. Oh, hey, when you say Ecorso, Joe Ecorso.
Wow.
See, we just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Amunya ya, kaya dane so ya tifu ya be. One time.
With the sauce, with Jana, my soul. Make it ball till we fall, make it ball till we fall. When I come with the sauce, with Jana, my soul. Me swag, that shit. I be getting from my chick, I see ya. When you say Ecorso, Joe Ecorso. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble.
Wow, that's amazing. Because that track by the Wizkid. Wizkid vibed.
To with a lot of them artists, I was supposed to meet Wizkid around that time, because it was like one of his favorite songs when it came out. And it's a lot of artists that vibe to the song. A lot of them, I can say.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot, and next time if you've been invited to Lolo TV, kindly just feel free and just come for an interview.
For real. Whenever I come to Kenya, this is like one of my homes, so I'll be passing through. I love the environment here, everywhere.
Then I know that you have got your fans out there who are viewing you at the moment. Kindly, any last word you can give them.
So about Kenya, this has been your boy Kofi Jamal. And I'm here, and Nairobi treating me so well. You guys have all the love and all the support, and I appreciate. Since my song Dangerous came out, you've been supporting. The love on social media is massive, and I appreciate it. I feel like I'm one of your own, and we are here to make African music, take African music to the world, for sure, one time.
Sure. So then, lastly, bro, there are some upcoming artists out there. They have lost hope in life. They have been discouraged out there. So maybe you can comfort them. You can give them some confidence.
I feel like when you're coming up, there's a lot of there's a lot of things that will get you like despaired, that won't let you continue with what you want to do. You know, it can be finances, it can be all these sort of things that won't let you get to your greatness that you have to. But I feel like if you believe in yourself, first and foremost, you have to believe in yourself. Because this this music thing we are doing, it's like, it's not, if you listen to my song, it's not the song that I've written, it's me that you are listening to. So you have to, if you are an artist, you have to have the belief in yourself and keep working at the art that you have, you know. If not now, people are not hearing of you. You got to keep writing. You got to keep learning how to compose more songs till that time. And most definitely, if you believe in everything that you're doing, it's going to happen for you. So stay original and believe in yourself. Yeah, it's going to happen for you one time.
I believe you've listened, you've heard from our own artist here. Stay original and believe in yourself. I'll see you. Thanks a lot, beautiful Kenyans, beautiful viewers. Next week, Friday, same time, same place. May God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Get one record.
Let's do this. When I come with the sauce, with Jana, my soul. Big ball till we fall, big ball till we fall. When I come with the sauce, with Jana, my soul. My swag, that chick. I be getting from my chick. I see it. Mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu ya be ya mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu.
My brother, move to the top, we harder. We the grind out there. Yep, I said get it bigger all night long. All night long. Yeah. Yo, boys and trip, boys and tip. Pulling in the Benz on yeah, we did it. Mommy from me, I don't think. Since I came, class, I'm dig it. Yeah, one thing. When they cut again, gang, we pulling with dig it. All and 4 and 2, say bomb by my bro. Boys and trip, boys and tip. Pulling in the Benz on yeah, we did it. Mommy from me, I don't think. Since I came, class, I'm dig it. Yeah, one thing. When they cut again, gang, we pulling with dig it. All and 4 and 2, say bomb by my bro.
Mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu ya be ya mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu.
It go on rough. Street in Achama ghetto need the beef on a filia. Says I said, yes, I know about whom modern coast cookers went to me and read ya. Your friend is a cost will priest here. My guy from off and a could test here. We paid for attention, but Mujina teas many one when they bet to me a Lydia. We've been doing this best for a while. Once I come and rap a foul, you man so panty a pressure be foul. Fans are supporting me money how. So when you mean somebody out to any, I saw broche made the men sour when a time of Vienna, Miss Wama could we are go send when you feel coming in. Inside, outside, a castle. No show me Air Force crew move bustle. So tussle, still with the hustle. Second income in my brame wastle. My G's for Timaba Jama and the Kama. Yepa Kokwaya to Twanya Shawama. Modia Sama no me, I shall make Kama. Me Pisca de Bia many times.
Mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu ya be ya mariachi. When him say cuss, joy cuss. We just wanna get it, we don't want no trouble. Munya ya, kaya dana suya tifu.
Bema misuni mbia kwa bana mchoji boom. Tia bantine beshedi bada rosli wuku. Inside, outside, outside, one side, inside, outside, one side, Bema misuni mbia kwa bana mchoji boom. Tia bantine beshedi bada rosli wuku. Inside, outside, one side, inside, outside, one side, yeah.
Kakra ebe din intina yebe. Kakra ebe shen intina yebe. Tiwanya wodia mame nyini mi hu. Mame hama sueni hudede. Bema da bi wa me hustle all night long.
and I'm gonna do it till they sing my song. I just wanna ball, don't get me wrong. Oh, it's jamming, I'm in yummy cafe. That's the way I'm on in cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say I'm in yummy cafe. That's the way I'm on in cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say tell me what you know about that. This is for my homies with a swag like that. Go and get your money, then you ball right back. Singing piano, we'll come go the air like that. Hey, tell me what you know about that. This is for my homies with a swag like that. Go and get your money, then you ball right back. Singing piano, we'll come go the air like that. Kuti wo hoyo ba betu J mine. Sikeni sonye na feni pray mine. But many a branch my shit Ray Bans. Missy my son who sent me baby a crime. And me my shit to sell this shit. Me pizza, bring me back, I sound ring my bit here. Yeah, man, I miss it. Swagger nigga extraordinary. My fiat was to sell Bagaku Pali, no capa. I'm looking japper. My mommy who tried to set chopper. I got to bro for and the cast until me in the force to grab me by machine set designer. Come on, sit down, man, I told me. New guys me brag about it, know that I'm the do it so effortless. Lose friends, but I never lose my self-respect. Being real, make them tell them check. Tijamin, I'm in yummy cafe. That's the way I'm on in cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say I'm in yummy cafe. That's the way I'm on in cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say I mean, I'm a smoking chain, I never wanna waste no time. See, I got a need in my room to jam and make us sweat inside. I had a drip like I'm in the 90s. At the back of the club, that's where you find me. Sipping on things that gon' make you speedy. Oh, there's no debating. Cause no one in the corner got swagger like us. Roll up the touchy you move them pass. Make a nigga know so we boss. And that's a fact. Remember, me kind of cramming your west. Report na busi ya fake when I in the west. I told ya, me yami na me in the suya. And man I am a kapunuma. And yami na me in the cafe. That's the way I'm on the cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say I'm in the cafe. That's the way I'm on the cafe. I've been dripping on you. Make I show them who the real is. Say Kakra ebe din inti na yebe. Kakra ebe shen inti na yebe. Ti wanya wo dia ma me nyini mi hu. Ma me ha ma so any hu day. Remember that be when me hustle all night long. And I'm gonna do it till they sing my song. I just wanna ball, don't get me wrong. Whoa.
Gad One Record.
It's a Kuma, you do come on. My friend Fiana Yama. And name gang. Ebelji is samba. You know we outside. The papa say, baby, come through if you wanna. Come to for your bomber, yeah. Inti and Kancha will say, Asana. Inti and Kancha will say, Asana. All my niggas with me and we ballin' all day. Still outside, I'm the mood and money. I'm with him, dear woe. Voice I make a casa to do so. I'm with him, dear woe. 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 I'm dropping. So I'm with him, dear woe. 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 Yeah, they don't know, I be on my grind, yeah. Flexing, boy I shine 24/7, goddamn line. Tryna get a question, yes. Enter that, I'm set, enter, I press. That's something called family, I'm in for free, you know, but down, let me cash. So roll up, I'm swerving, when I show up, it's a blessing. Yeah, I can't afford bad dancing, so I'm through high in my settings. Many rollers be a down inside, but I know what time it is. Me know me the D, my when I be DB, I share my family. Everything I say, make the news like I'm a journalist. Start time here with passions, but I'm busy, I know get time to get. Inti and Kancha will say, Asana. Inti and Kancha will say, Asana. All my niggas with me and we ballin' all day. Still outside. son, I said, Moria Mari.
I'm on him dear woe. Voice I make a casa to do so on him dear woe. I'm on him dear woe. I'm jumping, so on him dear woe. I'm on him dear woe. Voice I make a casa to do so on him dear woe. I'm jumping, so on him dear woe.
You niggas moving silence, they don't do no talking. Come in with a swag, Jimmy, I'm in talking. Don't take it easy, you don't wanna go there. Okay, got me with some pride, yeah, yeah. Shout out to the realest who forever hold me down. Shout out to the fakest, make you never come around. Cause we run the streets and we about to run your town. You can see what all I when I stop to drop the sound. I bet you don't know, Charlie. Roll the Russian sign I went to, Charlie. See pro no more can we know the snake show. Say what's the way at the bar, no be more fool, let's go. Inti and Kachia was saying Sana Inti and Kachia was saying Sana. All my niggas with me and we ballin' on the head. Yeah, we still outside, I said Moria Mari.
I'm on him dear woe. Voice I make a casa to do so on him dear woe. I'm on him dear woe. I'm jumping, so on him dear woe. I'm on him dear woe.
Get One Records.
Tomorrow
Jason on the.
I'm in the city with gorillas. I'm in the city with hyenas. My girls be hopping kangaroos. I turn my city to a zoo. Yeah, I'm only greasy and it's all there. I rep my city and I don't play. That's why we do it for the streets. We got the fire, got the heat.
I'm an African G on 100%. Said a couple of balls and I bought me a Benz. Yeah, I ain't even be paying no rent. Nah, I wake up and I feel so blessed. Thank God that my life switched. I ain't gotta work night shift. I stay strapped on my shit. The bomb, my nigga, I ain't talking about ISIS. Back to back with that fly shit. I want to take me go like this. We go shopping on Westfield and now we don't even check prices. Nah, they say I'm brighter than a chandelier. Cause I look like a star from a mile away. Yeah, and if they ask you why you arrogant, mama, you just tell them cause you're fucking with a nigga.
I'm in the city with gorillas. I'm in the city with hyenas. My girls be hopping kangaroos. I turn my city to a zoo. Yeah, I'm only greasy and it's all there. I rep my city and I don't play. That's why we do it for the streets. We got the fire, got the heat.
Yeah, hey, I done rep this 254. What you know about the place? Coming through with two tight flows. Last time I almost caught a case. Nigga, what you know about the A? You think you got what it takes? You think you got the power to hold your ground at the planet of the apes? By the time that you get up your seats, double up, triple up, yeah, we bout to head up the streets. I just hit up the beach, don't Cali, where you at? Come through, come pick up the beats. Nigga was thirsty, hiccups galore. I don't wanna touch the sky, I wanna pick up the floor. When I fella had to get up and walk, fell twice, a nigga had to get up some more. Finally made it to 28, now I'm picking it up, but Park left it. They don't wanna see a nigga get cake, get cheddar. You wanna see a nigga get reckless? Nah, nigga, not me, I'm an idol. And my brain is my Bible. So I drop a hot verse to rebuke this. Wanna be this done suicidal? I'm so sophisticated, yeah, sophisticated. Funny what the people do nowadays on IG just to get the pictures rated. Even if you miss going all naked, it doesn't matter if they really gotta fake it. You know how the game goes out here for the money and the fame. Everybody tryna make it, but me, I'm a go-getter and I know better. Getting more cheddar cause I'm so clever, but I'm so fed up with these broke fellas who be so jealous cause they no sellers. Sold tracks in the cold weather, rocking no sweater in an old setup. Told mom she don't gotta work cause I grind for her and it's forever.
Hit 'em up like I'm Tupac, don't lies on me, yeah. Everywhere nice up, spice it up, let's get saucy, yeah. I'ma get it, I won't lie, and I put it on my life. Got a feeling deep inside, These
These rollers never get legs, so I'm here now, time will cold, yo. Grace is working for me, but it doesn't need no salary, no. Good foundation, built like a mason, but I won't sell my soul, though. Every time I show up, man, it's a show. I'm in the city with gorillas.
Jason on the
Kofi Jamar, Ice, Calligraph Jones, 234-254-233, we out shit.
You got a choice. You got talent. You got a chance, and I want to hear about your environment, what your mama didn't give you and the white man won't give you no shot. You got a chance. Use it while you're still alive. You don't know what death is. You have no idea what death is.
Jamal,
make a decision.
Get one record.
This the life of a young boy with ambition to make it on my own. When your fantasy, man, we go sell out for the dome. If not for anything, now we go show them say we came and we saw. When we conquered with the homies all involved. Homies were the hardest, but my heart is in my songs. That's why I bought for my city, but I'm far away from home. Far away from my mom, while I made me for grabbing me. Believe it so soon that people gonna ask about me then. Tell them I'm on a soul mission to make a change. You can hit me with a bullet, but you never stop the rain. I'm coming like I'm having an orgasm. Oh, baby, I'm troublesome. Flow no juju on and some troublesome. Heavenly recipe, yes, I come the wild FBD. Make you tell nobody, man, this is a secret society. One eye open, but I'm still dream smoking. I can see the peace in me, but I still feel choking. Life is a dream, been grinding with a ramen since a teen, and I'm not yamming it, me witness. Explode this is a to pie at my minute to tick tick. How do you mistakes and to check up on your statistics? Whoa, you know I'm here to light the fire up. Put a little dope in your soul and get you higher up. Can't stop the power, you can't stop the waka waka, man. I still the suffer, no be a corn. To be a me pata, there's a war going on in my mind and in my song. And until the war was won, I'ma keep on killing it like it is a villain inside of me. You feeling it right? And once I make it, said the bay, I make a piece of the pie. Crazy, I don't wanna wait. Man, it's now or never. I mean, sure be facing. See my back against the wall, but I still face it. Now I'm here to make millions. I'm a dream chaser. Started ever since, and all I wanted was to win. Now boys in the me trying to take out the vim. That crown I'm making you now, that was making me a king. Nadia make a casapa fan was set me use it to go some. Me GD and Tina Maba, me die as soon Tina Mendas. I become me go to you anymore. I feel it's more than the prayer. I wanna change my life for better, getting fed until I'm fed up. Lord, give me wings, so help me, let me fly further. Picture me rolling as I make it for my corner. Excuse me, but I'm really doing what I wanna. GO18s to me, yeah, with Rama. I got them like I'm Adam, make it tell me, Wama. Cause I wanna blow even before Bona. Cause I'm a young thug and also I'm a stoner. On the upper class, you can tell by my diploma. They all know I am, so I know they talk it pona. Give you my wave, me my bye-bye. Feeling like I'm shut out, so bema me nyeka kawai. Welcome to the thug life. Mulling on my papa in the mall. I got too much drive, to the mecha, my pie with car tight. Where your food for thought, me my drink a crack. Needing every track now. As a boy, I'm in it, I do me shempa boy. Fucking like I'm couple on who's a be in tia. It's like an escape from Sobby Bot. To bear my day, God, make wild, pray hard. Yes, I you go fall prey. Miss Packers and Nika, I'll be grinding all day. Got a bash up in my mind, no time for party. I got dreams of riding on horses and Porsche. Selling out tours, have a dream, I have it all. Now I'm really trying to wake up, stay up and take it all. I know the world is mine, the world is in my mind. I came to look for gold, cause the world is just a mine. Put it in the line, make you dig it when I rhyme. No, I'm trying to make the 7-figure diggers in my time. Cash rules everything around me. This a shame one, come at my girl and I want me. Now me family die, I wake up in that punani. Now me say baby, I me flow like it's a tsunami. Munyami, let me make I do my thing, Joe. Bisa YG, I'm making back bang bo. And you know, and you know, and then you know, and you know, with the flow, with the flow,
And I'm better now than I was when you saw that 22-year-old undeveloped kid running from Sunday Lister. I'm experienced now, professional. I have wrestled with an alligator. I done tussled with a whale. I done handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. That's bad. Only last week, I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean, I make medicine sick.
Get One Records.
Run it back, Chino. I be in the jungle where the tigers and bears. Don't know who to trust, don't know who to fear. Kake tiki kuya shema tadia. Blame it on the streets, nigga sana me tear. You be outside and you push and die. Been a bad boy every day of my life. I've been through the pain, now I'm doing alright. Walk it out, I live it, never telling a lie. Get up on my hustle, yeah, you know what I mean. Always on the grind, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, but I'm an alpha, but I'm Mosesini. Yeah, super DD, yeah, you know what I mean. Get up on my hustle, yeah, you know what I mean. Always on the grind, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, but I'm an alpha, but I'm Mosesini. Yeah, super DD, yeah, you know what I mean. I share me home, boss, I'm man, be behind you. Gonna remember the name, I soon be I bet you. I'm gonna make history, know what it means to me. Right till infinity, you know we can't go back. So all we do is move forward. If I want it, you know I've seen it all. Man, I'm never satisfied, so I need more. I got killers waiting, all it take is one call, yeah. One time for me, hustlers that never give up. There is a lot of pain in the glory now. Loyalty in the body, you can never buy it from the shop. So I'm rolling with the realest only now. Can't take somebody's karma, but if you lost, I'll make you believer. I say, don't you ever go low. Tell me only Lord knows. Life is how you make it while you're living in the jungle. Get up on my hustle, yeah, you know what I mean. Always on the ground, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, but I'm an alpha, but I'm Mosesini. Yeah, super DD, yeah, you know what I mean. Get up on my hustle, yeah, you know what I mean. Always on the ground, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, but I'm an alpha, but I'm Mosesini. Yeah, super DD, yeah, you know what I mean. Everything nice, you know what I mean. Got a Henny on ice, you know what I need. Someone told me poverty is a disease. So papa, when I better look for the greens. I clear, I see the vision. Life is good, only for the living. I can't give you money, but I'll show you how to get it. And if you know the karma, then you go and take it. Just don't make it, try to make it big. Mama was that we working every day. So we don't make the whole got to celebrate. Fight as a soldier, never run away. Just don't make it, try to make it big. Mama was that we working every day. So we don't make the whole got to celebrate. Fight as a soldier, never run away.